Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. If you are fond of seafood, then today you are definitely in for a superb treat. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe for one of Goa's iconic and most popular seafood dishes. This dish is basically a seafood pickle which was primarily consumed in the monsoon season when fresh fish was not easily available. But nowadays it is served as a starter or main course meal at special occasions, weddings and family get-togethers. Our recipe for today is deliciously tangy, sweet and mildly spicy prawn balchao. Step 1. Cleaning and deveining the prawns. Take half kg or 500 grams of medium-sized prawns. These prawns must be washed properly. You can make prawn balchao with small or medium-sized prawns, and you can also use big prawns by cutting them into smaller pieces. Take a prawn, cut off the legs, antenna and top part of the head like I have shown and discard it. Remove the shells on the head and body of the prawn and keep it aside. This can be used to make prawn stock. Refer to our prawn pulao recipe to learn how to make stock. The link is now displayed at the top right hand corner of your screen. We will also provide this link in the description box. Now we will show you two ways to devein the prawns. One way is to use a toothpick or the tip of a knife to remove the vein like I have shown. Be careful to pull out the complete vein and discard it. The second way to devein the prawn, use a sharp knife and make a slight cut at the top of the prawn to completely remove the vein like I have shown. Use a toothpick or the tip of a knife to remove the vein like I have shown. Carefully remove the entire vein or the black thread without breaking it. Remove every bit of it, even from the tip of the tail. Do not wash the prawns now, as you will lose all the taste. Prawns are now clean and ready to use. Step 2. Marinating the prawns. Place the prawns in a bowl. Add half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Mix it well. Cover and keep aside for at least 15 minutes. Marinated prawns are ready. Step 3. Preparing the ingredients. We have taken 8 Kashmiri Red Chillies. These chilies are medium spicy. Kashmiri Red Chilli powder can also be used if whole Kashmiri chilies are not available. Adjust the quantity accordingly. Remove the stems and cut the chilies into smaller pieces. Take quarter teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, half teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds, quarter teaspoon or around 15 black peppercorns, half-inch stick of cinnamon. Break the cinnamon sticks into smaller pieces. 4 cloves, half-inch size of ginger, 8 cloves of garlic. Cut the ginger and garlic into smaller pieces. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Half cup of Goan vinegar. The taste of balchao is perfect with Goan vinegar, but you can also use apple cider or palm vinegar. 1 medium-sized onion and 4 medium-sized cloves of garlic finely cut which will be used in step 6. Step 4. Preparing the balchao masala. In a mixer grinder, add the Goan vinegar. Add the Kashmiri Red Chillies after discarding most of the seeds. Add the cut pieces of ginger and garlic. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Add the cinnamon sticks, black peppercorns, cloves, cumin or jeera seeds. Add the sugar. Grind everything to a smooth paste. Add a little more vinegar while grinding if required. Do not add any water in the balchao masala if it is to be stored for a longer period. Balchao masala is ready. Step 5. Frying the prawns. On medium heat, place a wide open thick bottom pan and add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the prawns. Fry the prawns in batches if the size of the pan cannot accommodate all the prawns together. Each and every prawn should touch the bottom of the pan so that they can be fried nicely. Do not overcrowd the pan. Fry the prawns on each side for at least 6 to 7 minutes or until they turn slightly brown. Prawns must release most of its liquid. Try to fry the prawns evenly on both sides. Prawns must be properly fried for the balchao to last longer.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Stir frequently to prevent burning and sticking to the pan. Do not worry if something gets stuck to the pan. Try to release whatever is possible so it doesn't burn. Anything that is still stuck to the pan will be automatically released later and the flavors will be infused in the masala. Once the prawns are done, remove and keep them aside. Step 6. Preparing the prawn balchao. On medium heat in the same pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the onions and stir. Stir frequently to prevent burning. After around 3 minutes or so, add the garlic and stir. Everything stuck to the pan while frying the prawns will now be released easily. Once everything is released, the flavor will get infused in the masala. Once the onions turn golden brown, add the masala and stir. Rinse the mixer with little vinegar to remove the leftover masala and add it to the pan. Stir and mix everything nicely. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Mix everything nicely. Release the masala that gets stuck to the bottom of the pan. Check for sugar and add if required. We added around 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add half teaspoon of salt and stir. Mix everything nicely. Cook for around 6 to 7 minutes or more until the masala has left the sides of the pan. Oil, vinegar, salt and sugar are natural preservatives which help to preserve the balchao for longer duration. Stir frequently to prevent burning.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Now add the fried prawns and stir. Mix everything nicely. Cook for around 4 to 6 minutes or more until the masala has left the sides of the pan and the oil starts floating on top. Ensure all the prawns are completely coated with the masala. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Check for salt, sugar and vinegar and add if required. Let the balchao cool completely at room temperature before storing. Store the balchao in a clean, sterilized, completely dry, airtight glass container. Keep it in a cool, dry place. Let the balchao mature for at least 10 to 15 days before consuming. Once matured, keep it in the refrigerator for a longer shelf life. Delicious prawn balchao is ready. Serve it with steamed rice and Goan fish curry to enjoy the ultimate feast. Or you can simply serve it as a starter and enjoy it on its own.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.